So this room has been converted into a sunroom. I'm gonna lay the tiles first, and then they're gonna put that wall where that tarp is. It's all gonna be glass. So what you should do is lay out all your Ditra, and every course of Ditra that you lay out, mark it, roll it up, and set it aside. This calls for 2 warm wires because you can't do 400 square feet of warm wire. You have to use 2, and what they use is a relay switch, they call, and they only use 1 thermostat, but I put in 3 thermostat wires, so that way if one breaks down, they'll have 2 extra. So anyways, just take your time, wet your floor down, do course by course, and yeah, and just make sure your pockets are all lined up. So hope you learned something from this. Thank you.